I traded my G63 for this Defender 110, and I wanted to give you guys a full review as to why I did that and what features in this car made me absolutely love it. What I've done is I've bought basically what I call a Land Mobile to do exactly that. Some features that I absolutely love about this Defender: first off, it has a 2-inch lift kit from the factory. And look at those beautiful off-road tires. Any exploration, any land that has difficult access can now be accessed thanks to my Land Rover Defender. Let me open the door and show you guys what this looks like on the inside. Extremely rugged finishing all over. Look at that. Just phenomenal interior. Very basic, I would say, as far as interiors go. It's very minimalist style, yet very good. Now, one thing I do like about this Defender is the fact that it actually has a fridge, something that my G63 did not have. And this table actually is a folding table. It becomes a table for the people in the back for whatever reason. I don't know why you would need that, but I guess Defender thought that was important. In the back, the biggest difference between this and the G63 is that, look at this. This is something that you do not get, unfortunately, in the G63. So if you have 5 people, which I usually do, it's me, my wife, my 2 kids, and sometimes 1 or even more of their friends, they don't end up fitting in the G63. So we had to get this because there's just more space. Now, a really cool feature about this 110, and this is something that not all the 110s come equipped with, is actually a 3rd row seat right here. So obviously, look, we have guitar stuff for my daughter. We have some sports stuff here for my son, but underneath this, there is a 3rd row, which she opens up, and now this car becomes a 7-seater, which is amazing. Also, the famous observatory panels, right? The openings that allow you to kind of see outside. This is a famous Defender thing. I quickly also wanted to show you guys what this car looks like from the front, so you guys get an idea as to what that is. We're gonna get that silver panel wrapped in black because unfortunately when we bought it they didn't have that. But yeah, looks really good. Also, this car did come equipped with these fender flares. These are not stock. These pop out a little bit as an off-road package. And it also came equipped with these classic Land Rover mud flaps. The car, I think, just looks way better just because of historic heritage with the mud flaps. If you're gonna buy a Defender for whatever reason, make sure you get the mud flaps because that is where it is at. That's my quick review on the Land Rover 110. Beautiful car. I think it will serve us well over the next couple of years and we're gonna have a lot of fun with it. So stay tuned and see what we're gonna do to this car or with this car.